My husband and I took our 11-year-old Aiden and his cousins, who are also 11 and 10, to Rapid City, South Dakota. This is actually our third time in Rapid City, and every time that we've been here, we've done something completely different. We rented an Airbnb in Rapid City and used that as our base to explore. We visited Art Alley, we went to Mount Rushmore, we went zip lining, we took the lift up and then we rode like the Alpine slide down. We went horseback riding, the scenery was really beautiful. The kids wanted to ride a train, so we took the 1880 train. Again, scenery was really nice, they enjoyed that. We went to Crazy Horse Memorial. We didn't get a chance to go up because it started raining, but we visited the museum and there was so much to learn from it. The kids wanted to try out this new VR thing, so we went to Sprockets for that. We even went to the rodeo and it was the kids' first time. We visited 4th of July, so they had fireworks, which was really fun. We found a water park, we had fun there too. We did a hayride through Costa State Park, and we even got to see bison. One of the things that we really enjoyed about Rapid City was being able to eat. We found really good restaurants like this awesome Jamaican restaurant, and then we found other really cool places to eat at. And then dessert. We found great ice cream shops and we had ice cream like every day. I highly recommend Rapid City for families. You will not lack what to do for sure. Before heading to the airport, we took the kids to the trampoline park to tire them out, and then it was time to head home.